Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to move your EA games to another folder or drive on your PC in simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your EA app in your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, now look at the left hand side and click on Library. You will see all the games you have installed. Next, find the game you want. Then right click it. A small menu will pop up. From the menu, click Move Games. After you click, the EA app will ask you where you want to move the game. Here you can choose a different folder or even another hard drive like C drive to D drive. Once you selected the new location, press select folder. The EA will now start moving the game files for you. This might take times depending on how big the game is and how fast your drives are. So be patient. When it's done, the game will now appear installed in the new location and you can play it normally. And that's it. By right clicking on your game, choosing move game and selecting a new folder, you can easily free up space and organize your EA games just the way you want. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.